try the pie that I made.
Looks good.
Ray, what was that, Ray? I'm sorry.
Yep.
Yep, what?
Very good.
I did try a small piece myself, and I found the bottom was a little soggy. And no, Ray's saying no. And
I don't think so.
You don't think so? I like a real dry crust.
I don't.
And then I
Looks good.
used my apple cutter, the one that you peel your apple and you put it down and it plops it like boom, and it's all cut out. And the wedges were a little thicker, so I liked my apples cooked a little bit more. How about you, Ray?
Yep, those are good.
They're okay. Now, Ray, what would your father say if he had to eat this?
If he would say, pie for breakfast, give me the biggest piece. Nice and loud, too.
Yeah, and then he would say, I'd eat it
If it kills me.
he'd eat it if it killed him. So it didn't matter what. He was just so thankful when Ray's mother made a pie. So I'm going to end this video. It's only 0 today, and it's cold, so it's a good day for pie.
Yep, yes.
And Ray, are you going to eat most of that pie, or what are you going to do with it?
I plan on eating it, and the whole company don't count, because then the company comes, they got to share it.
Now, you heard that right from the horse's mouth, not from me. Now, does that mean you share with me?
I might.
Oh, I might. Okay.
Very good. It's nice and thick. See, she got a special pie plate she uses, and it's nice and thick. In fact, for my birthday, she asked me what I wanted for cake. I said I want an apple pie. So she made me an apple pie for my birthday.
Yes, I did. Now, is there any changes you would rather have?
Nope.
No. Hey, Pumpkin.
Very good just the way it is.
Hey, call Pumpkin over so
No
they can
pumpkin
see
ain't gonna come
Pumpkin.
over here. Come on. Come on, baby girl.
You want to say hi?
She's just gonna look.
Hi, it's Pumpkin. Pumpkin-boo.
I could put a piece on the floor. That would bring her over.
Oh, yeah. So anyways, Ray, I'm going to end this.
Yep.
And what's your plans for the day? Eat pie.
Eat pie. And then I have to cut some wood today.
He's a woodcutter. He's got to cut some wood. Okay, guys. I'm going to leave. I don't really have a recipe. This is just done with my twist, but I'll have it on the film here. And like I always say, you never know what's going to be on my videos. Please give me thumbs up. I have to find my thumb. There we go. And you can find me on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. And we'll see you tomorrow. Where am I? Bye now.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.